Okay, well, I get it. Fuck J.Prince. How about that? I reviewed the video footage, and you're absolutely wrong. You have footage that can help free Larry Hoover out of jail. Man, if you don't get the fuck out of here, what the fuck is you talking about?
Well,
Yo,
he got 6 life sentences, man.
He got 6 life sentences,
oh, man,
bro.
He not coming home. What the fuck these
What
niggas
is this
talking
nigga
about?
talking about, bro? Yeah, and bro, you niggas is way out weird as fuck. So a nigga sitting there in 1998 telling his life story from a kid to the end that's gonna free him for 6 life sentences. Man, these niggas is crazy.
Hey. Yeah, he ain't no rapper.
Wait a second. What's up, Wack? I seen earlier Reek came into the room and he removed Magneto to the audience.
Fuck Magneto, nigga. That nigga's a plant. Straight up. Nigga don't like it, nigga do what you gonna do. Nigga come with a room, talk about mom time.
I'm shooting too.
Fuck that nigga. Nigga opening up rooms early in the morning, nigga. You moving wrong, you moving funny, my nigga. All of a sudden you got a mob ties room, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. That's where I'm at with it. Nigga, take it how you want to take it, nigga. Stay your ass over in the mob ties. Playing no games about nothing. All of a sudden, this nigga opening up rooms in the morning. Niggas show their hand too early. Bad infiltrators.
They need a lesson from that
Nigga think we don't see it.
Oh my, stop talking over Wack, yo.
Yeah, nigga see it, nigga. Out of all of a sudden, he mob ties. Oh, nah, nigga, you gonna get the fuck away from me. Quick, nigga. I ain't doing that.
Yeah, nigga, what kind of timing is that, my guy? What the fuck is moving? That's crazy.
All of a sudden, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody crazy. This nigga crack a room. He thought a nigga was, nigga been watching him. He ain't said nothing, nigga just watching him. You know, that's how you do it, nigga. Just, well, you move, I move. All right, what's the next move?